streaming checkbox checked. Live streaming YouTube Studio Google Chrome window. Live streaming YouTube Studio document. Streaming URL at random RTMP slash story label. Heading level 2. Heading level 2 button. Heading level 2 button top cans. Heading level 4 link more. Link welcome to live chat. Remember to guard your privacy and abide by our community guidelines. Learn. Link more. Blank. 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 Dialog. Blank. Dialog. No managing moderators can support your chat. No managing moderator. Tab search button collapsed. Open tool. Bookmark tab. And close. Live streaming YouTube Studio share button. End stream button. Account profile photo and opens list of alternate accounts menu button. End stream button. End stream button. 020. Live. Button share. Live. 024. Live. 027. Live. Button available enabled to add stream marker. Button available enabled to create highlight. Blank. Button live. 035. Live. Button available enabled to create blank. Visit link YouTube Studio dashboard. Button expand menu. All changes saved. All changes saved. Button expand menu. Visit blank. Button available enabled to add stream marker. Button share. Live. 044. Button end menu. Button submenu account. Button end stream. End stream dialog. Heading level 1. End. Not yet button. End button. Button end stream. 054.